Good day, I'm K.S.A.C Smith and this is your JIS News for Friday, August 21. Government has launched the second phase of its National Export Strategy, NES. This leg of the program will be rolled out between 2015 and 2019. It's focused on manufacturing, mining, film and animation, agro-processing, and information technology-enabled services. At the launch, Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller said government would continue supporting the growth and expansion of the manufacturing and export sectors.
We'll have to identify market niches that are underserved and fill those markets. Jamaica cannot afford to miss the export boat. The government is committed to creating the enabling environment to support your success, because your success is Jamaica's success.
Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton is meanwhile urging public and private sector entities to institutionalize and internalize the national export strategy within their operational plans.
If this is done, the NES2 will become the fundamental pillar of our export-led growth strategy. Failure is not an option.
Technical support for the design and formation of the NES was provided by the Commonwealth Secretariat. The recent bouts of rainfall across the island have resulted in a slight increase in the intake of water to the National Water Commission NWC storage facilities. Acting President of the NWC, Mark Barnett, made that disclosure at a heads of agency meeting at the Water Ministry on Wednesday. He said 40 million gallons of water was added to the Hermitage facility, while at Mona there was an increase with inflows from the Yalas and Hope River intake systems. But NWC's acting president made it clear that even though the rains had brought some relief, they did not significantly impact the storage levels in the Hermitage or Mona reservoirs. As a result, he said the restrictions for the corporate area would remain for now. Prime Minister Portia Simpson Miller has charged the new Custos of St. Mary to continue the work of advocating and influencing good values and attitudes in the society. The Honourable Errol Johnson was installed on Thursday during a ceremony in the parish. He was also conferred the Order of Distinction Commander Class for Civic and Community Service. Minister with responsibility for housing, Dr. Maurice Guy, spoke on behalf of the Prime Minister and relayed her confidence in the new Custos.
Lieutenant Colonel Johnson will continue to positively impact the lives of the people and communities in St. Mary and beyond.
Governor General Sir Patrick Allen, meanwhile, urged the residents of St. Mary to stand for what was right in their communities.
I am asking you, therefore, as noble and upstanding citizens of this parish, to do everything you can to maintain the tradition of excellence and not allow it to whittle away by the effects of crime and violence, domestic abuse, or abuse of children.
Kingston's Mayor, Senator Angela Brown Burke, says the Kingston and St. Andrew Corporation is carrying out drain cleaning and other interventions under its annual mitigation program. She was addressing a town hall meeting on the Zika virus and other public health issues hosted by the K.S.A.C and the Southeast Regional Health Authority Wednesday.
So that those drains and gullies that are in need of cleaning can be cleaned, so that those areas that are in need of bushing because they actually threaten our health or well-being, that those too can be taken care of.
Mayor Brownberg says that about $70 to $80 million is dispersed under that program annually, most of it on drain cleaning. But she's also insisting that government's interventions must be supported by citizens who have a duty to practice responsible garbage disposal.
Often, what we find in our drains is that it is clogged with all kinds of material, so that when there's a little rain or whatever, they get clogged up. And in no time, there's water running on the streets.
And finally, Sport Minister Natalie Nita Headley has assured all the athletes representing Jamaica that while expectations are high, their best is truly good enough.
And if you give of your best, if you remain disciplined, if you remain focused, if you remain dope-free, then we'll be happy to always have you representing Jamaica, because that is what is good about Jamaica.
She was speaking at a press briefing held at the Jamaica Olympic Association office in Kingston on Tuesday. Jamaica's senior athletes begin the hunt for medals and better performances tonight when the 15th World Championships begins in Beijing, China. Then next month, Jamaica's youth will represent the nation at the 2015 Commonwealth Youth Games, being held from September 5 to 11 in the Pacific Island nation of Samoa. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm K.S.A.C. Smith. Thanks for watching.